Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Let's go couponing at CVS this week using only our phone. We have a ton of amazing deals, a lot of new deals this week and new scenarios that I'm going to be doing. Plus, we have some great deals on Halloween candy. Candy is really freaking expensive. I've seen so many people posting about that. So I found a deal to be able to grab 4 bags of Halloween candy, the fun size, for $7.04, including taxes. So I'm doing that deal myself personally because I honestly haven't bought any candy yet for Halloween. So I definitely need to stock up. Below in the description box is a printable breakdown, plus the link to my free live coupon class. If you're struggling with figuring out how do I find these deals on all of the products that I actually use, if your deals aren't going according to plan, if it's taking you hours and hours, please come to my free live class. I'm teaching you my step-by-step process that I personally use every single week to put together my hauls. I'm going to teach you how I do my breakdowns, everything you need to know to save 75% every month. So that link will be below for you, or you can go to breecouponqueen.com/class to be able to reserve your seat. It's going to be on Zoom. Once you reserve your seat, you'll get the Zoom link. So let's head inside to CVS and take advantage of some amazing deals this week using only digital coupons. First deal we're going to do again is the Maybelline deal, which is a moneymaker. So this deal is good through this week. If you did the deal last week, it reset, so you can do it again this week. We got a new instant coupon. So it is definitely my lucky day. There's 2 eyeshadows left. Maybelline is buy 2, get a $6 extra buck. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. They're now $4.99 at my store. They were $4.79, but if it's $4.79, it'll be a small moneymaker for you. So grab 2, clip the $4 digital coupon. I'm gonna wind up paying $5.99, getting back a $6 extra buck, makes them both completely free. Next, we're gonna do the deal on spend 30 on select products, get a $10 extra buck, and there's a ton of products included. This week, we're switching it up. We're gonna grab 2 of these large Old Spice body washes. They're $9.99 on sale. There's a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so clip that. Plus, we can submit to Ibotta for $7 cash back when you buy 2. Next deal we're going to grab is into household products. We're going to get this Downy Unstoppable 7.8 ounce on sale for $6.99. There is a $2 digital coupon on the CVS app. The last product we're going to grab to get us over the $30 mark is the Tide Pods. These are $5.49. In the CVS app, you're going to clip the $1.50 digital coupon, so let's put together this deal. So these are the 4 products that I'm grabbing. Total is $32.46. After the coupons come off, I'm gonna pay $24.96, get back a $10 extra buck, plus $7 cash back for the Old Spice on Ibotta. Makes your final cost $7.96 for all 4 products, or $1.99 a piece. I'm so excited about this deal. Quick note, I just realized, see how the bottles are different, but they're the same thing? I scanned this one on Ibotta. It does not work with the Ibotta rebate. So I'm gonna go exchange this one to make sure that they both work. Next, we have an okay deal on Persil. You're still gonna be saving about 25%, but we've definitely seen better deals. So if it's a product you absolutely need, then go for it. If it's not, then I would pass. In store, they're $13.99. Buy 2, get a $6 extra buck. There's no coupon, so you would pay $27.98 out of pocket. If you have extra bucks though, you can use those to lower your cost. Then you'll get back the $6 extra buck and submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back. Limit is 1. Makes your final cost $19.98 for 2, or $9.99 a piece. At Walmart, they're $12.97, so you're still saving about $3 by doing this deal, but it is a high out of pocket, so keep that in mind. Another deal you can grab again is on the Dove bar soap. So they are buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. The 3.17 ounce bottle is included. Careful though, because this one was there as well, but this is 2.6 ounces. So make sure you're grabbing the right ones. You will pay the $5.38 out of pocket. Get back the $4 extra buck, makes it $1.38 for 2, or 69 cents for some bar soap. Next, we have an okay deal on these really cute little Vaseline lip care. They also have the rosy color here. They're $3.79. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. Plus, they have this creme brulee. These would make really cute little stocking stuffers. You would pay the amount out of pocket, but once you get back the extra buck, your final net cost is about $2.29 a piece. If you need diapers, another amazing option you could do instead for the spend 30 is on Pampers. These boxes are $29.99, so your store would have to follow the 98% rule. Unfortunately, the only way to know if it does is to try a deal and see if you get back the extra back. So you could grab this. There is a $3 digital coupon as well on the CVS app. You'd pay $26.99, get back the $10 extra buck, makes your net cost $16.99 for a box of diapers, which is amazing. Also recommend downloading the Pampers Rewards app. Every time you use Pampers diapers, inside, like when you open it, it's like usually right here, there's a little barcode that you're gonna scan on the Pampers Rewards app. For every 10 that you scan, you're gonna wind up getting a free $10 gift card to use towards your next Pampers purchase. It's free as well, so definitely give it a shot. Another diaper deal is on Huggies. This one's not the best deal, but again, still better than paying full price. They're on sale 2 for $20. Spend $20, get a $5 extra back. There's no coupons or anything that I have personally, so I would pay the $20, get back the $5 extra buck, makes it $15 for 2 packs or $7.50 per pack. Saves you about $2.50 compared to paying full price at Walmart. Next deal is on Halloween candy, which I have not stocked up on yet. These are buy one, get one for $1, so I'm actually gonna max it out and grab 4 of them. Then we're gonna submit to Shopkick. You'll get 500 kicks each plus 15 scan kicks, and that's a limit of 1. Gives you $4.06 back when you buy 2. Makes your final cost $3.93 for both of them, or like $1.97 per bag. Way cheaper than Walmart. That's an amazing deal. Okay, we are back in from CVS. Everything went great at checkout. I did 2 transactions. So I did want to use a Fetch Rewards gift card because I had one, but my Fetch Rewards app would not open. Like, it was just like stuck on the little dog. It would not open. Then it kept saying like, no internet, retry again. So I was like, bummer. But it still wound up being a super good deal as far as out-of-pocket costs because of the cash back that we earned. So first transaction, I did the Spend 30 deal. I did the Palmer's deal and the Maybelline. And then I grabbed the A&D ointment. All my digital coupons came off. I rolled all my extra bucks from last week. Paid, sorry, the sun is like right there, $23.59 plus tax. Then I submitted to Ibotta, got $11.50 cash back. That's an amazing deal. So when we get home, we're gonna enter everything into my digital budget spreadsheet. So I'll show you guys how that works when you're couponing at CVS. You're factoring in your rewards and you're factoring in the cash back that you earned. The spreadsheet will calculate for you your cash cost and your net cost. So very important. Then I just did the Butterfinger in its own transaction. I did not use any extra bucks on this because it comes out of a separate budget for me. And obviously I'm gonna be buying it anyway for Halloween because we need Halloween candy. So I paid $17.10 out of pocket. Then I submitted over to Shopkick, got 2,500 kicks plus the scan kicks. That gives me back $10.06, makes my final cost $7.04 for 4 bags of candy. That is such an amazing deal. I'm super excited about that one. So let's head home. We're gonna enter everything into my budget spreadsheet and see exactly how much we wound up saving today couponing at CVS. All right, we've pulled up our digital budget spreadsheet. If you guys are in my Everyday Savings Club, this comes included. If you guys want to join where I give you the top 40 coupon deals every single week, there's a private Facebook group. You can ask me any questions. Comes with a digital spreadsheet as well. Just go to breecouponqueen.com/club for all the details and how you guys can join. So what we're going to do is put in the date. Then in the drop down, you're going to select the store. Kroger is also included. In the one that you guys will download from the Everyday Savings Club. So sale price for the first transaction is all the sale prices. So if something's on sale for $8.99, it's $8.99. It's not the regular price. Out of pocket, I swiped my card for $26.60. Rewards I used was $25.35. I didn't use any gift cards on this one, which is not usual for CVS, but like I said, my Fetch Rewards app, even still, it won't open, so they must be having some sort of glitch right now. Got $11.50 back, and then rewards I earned back on this one, let me count it. It was 26. So I saved 75% on my first transaction, amazing. And then the next transaction was just the Halloween candy. So sale price is $15.98, out of pocket. Or no, I'm sorry. This is $17.10. Nope. 17. There we go. paid it out of pocket because there weren't any digital coupons or anything, and I chose not to use any of my rewards. And then cash back, this one was from Shopkick, which is actual cash back. I got back $10.06, and then no rewards back either. So we saved almost 60% on Halloween candy. That's, to me, an amazing deal. So all of this is going to calculate for you the cash cost, net cost, percentage saved, and total saved. The formulas are already included for you. Up here is going to automatically calculate as well. So I've saved on average 83% from all the different deals that I've done so far this month. We have 10 days left in the month. I also still have $86.43 that I can spend out of pocket. So you want to make sure that you're double checking this before you do your hauls, just to make sure that how much you're going to be spending is obviously fits within your budget, so you're not going over your budget, because that is super, super important. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. If you're not signed up for my free live masterclass this Sunday, click the link right here. You guys can register completely free. I do a live Q&A at the end as well, so you guys can ask me your questions. Super excited. I absolutely love teaching these classes. I'm going to be showing you my step-by-step process, how I put together my deals every single week, how I use only my phone to save 75% or more. Like you saw on my budget spreadsheet, I'm saving 83%. So it's definitely possible. I will see you guys next Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.